Today's plan: installing Heroic Game Launcher on CachyOS, connecting Epic Game Store on the Heroic Game Launcher, installing a game from the Epic Game Store on Heroic Game Launcher, hopefully. And if all goes well, hopefully we can play a game on the on from CachyOS from the Heroic Game Launcher. Now let's open up CachyOS Package Manager by clicking on the Cache icon, then clicking on System. Now you will see CachyOS Package Installer, and now you can click on it. When the Package Manager opens, you can click on the Repo tab. Now search for Heroic Game Launcher. You will now see Heroic Game Launcher. You can click on it and click on Install, then click on OK. If it asks you for a password, all you need to do is just type in your PC password or the one that you log in with and click OK again. You will see now it will ask us to click on if we want to proceed with the installation. All we need to do is just type in Y and press enter. When Heroic Game Launcher is done downloading, all we need to do is click on OK. Yay! Well done, we managed to install Heroic Game Launcher. Now we can close the package manager by clicking close. Now if we click on the CachyOS icon again, we'll see a new folder, or for some it will already have a games folder. And now if we click on the games folder, we'll see the Heroic Game Launcher now. So on the once the Heroic Game Launcher opens up, we can close all the notifications that pops up because we're not interested in that at the moment. Now that we got Heroic Game Launcher opened up, you'll see on your left hand side there will be a couple of tabs. The two tabs that we really worried about is the login tab, or so we can log in with either Epic or your GOG account, and the library, at the library where all the games will be stored. So for this tutorial, we're gonna log in with our Epic account. So now let's click on login and log into our Epic account, or which will be my Epic account. So as you can see, we logged into our Epic account, and if you click on libraries now, you'll see all our games that we have on our Epic library. Yeah. So on the Epic side, I'm just going to select any random game here and click on download. It will automatically install everything you need, as you can see. And then once it's done, we'll click on play and then see how this game launch. If this game launch and we did everything right. Fingers crossed. And if you don't want to install a game from the Epic Store and you want to add a game that you already have from your hard drive, all we need to do is we'll need to click on add game. So let's do that quickly. Now once we clicked on add game, you'll see a thing called game title, and select the executable. So all we need to do is type the name of the game, which I'm doing now, and then we need to select the executable from our hard drive or where we stored it on. So I'll do that quickly. Now that we filled in the title and we selected the executable, you don't need to worry about anything. Proton will automatically install with this because once we installed Heroic Game Launcher, that automatically downloaded already. So all we need to do is click on finish. And now if you look in your library, you'll see a new title with a heroic icon in the top left corner. If you want to click on the play button, you can click on the play button, but I'm not going to do it on this video, because this video is more about seeing how we can how we can get Epic Game Stores games on your to launch on Heroic. And success, if you can see, our Epic Game Store game downloaded, it installed, and we can actually launch it. So if you reached all the way to this part of the video, sadly we came to the end of the video. I know, it's very sad. But if you made it this far, you're a legend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you liked it, you can subscribe. If you didn't like it, till the next video, I will leave you with a gameplay, but it's not going to be too long. This was just to show that we can actually install Epic Game Store on a Linux system, which is CachyOS, and yeah, and play some games. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Till the next video, bye.